the internet. I'm here in VIEWS Jade Signature. It's a beautiful unit, waterfront building in beautiful sunny house. Let me show you the view of the east part of this apartment. This is the east part of this apartment. I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna do a tour of you, a tour for you. Beautiful view from here with the sunny isle piers, and there is a very nice restaurant over there too. So we're getting ready to go and do a tour inside of this beautiful 3 bedrooms and a den and 4 bathrooms and a half luxury condo waterfront in Sunny Isle Beach. Very low homeowners association and almost 2,600 square feet. We're gonna give you more details about it, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you the inside of this beautiful place. We wanna walk inside. By the way, before I go inside, I'm going to show you the balcony. So this is the beautiful entrance. It's almost 2,600 square feet, and I'm going to show you the east part. No, actually the west part. The beach was on the east. This is the west part of the unit in Sunny Isle Beach, Jade Signature in Collins Avenue. This west part of the apartment, of the condo, is beautiful panoramic view of the city. Can you imagine this place at night? Look at this beautiful city. At night, you gotta be out here. I'm gonna do a video at night so you guys can have an idea of this amazing place. So now I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you the bedrooms and bathrooms. Let me see, the internet is holding. There is some issue with the internet right now. So this is one of the bedrooms right here. And it's got a beautiful view of the west side of the apartment. Hello. Private elevator. This elevator comes all the way from the lobby to the apartment. It's private. You gotta have your fingerprint or eye in the computer so you can come in here. This is the den with the bathroom. And this is the other bedroom, the beautiful view of the west side. High ceilings, marble all over. This is the other bathroom. And this is the laundry room, which wash and dryer. I'm gonna come back to you so you can give us a description of the unit. Okay, now I'm on. Let me see if I can check this room over here. Amazing bathroom.
John.
One second. So this is the beautiful Jade Signature with 3 bedrooms, a den and 4 bedrooms and a half. Very low homeowners association, almost 2,600 square feet. And I'm going to be talking to, I'm going to talk to Katerina. Katerina, right? I'm going to talk to Katerina so she can give us more info about this beautiful place. Hi, Katerina. Can you tell us more detail about this beautiful place? Tell us more about it.
Welcome to Jade Signature. It's a beautiful unit located on 34th floor, 12-foot ceilings, over $1 million of renovation, 3-bedroom plus a den. You have 4 balconies, 2 balconies facing west, which is the intercostal, and 2 balconies facing east. Very attractive price, $4.250.
And the homeowners association is very low too.
It's $5,000. The amenities included the full bar restaurant with a liquor license. You have 2 pools, east and west. You have a beautiful spa, jacuzzi on the 2nd floor, and jacuzzi you have on the 1st floor, and obviously a beautiful, beautiful beach.
And you have all the restaurants and all the supermarket stores walking distance.
Everything walking distance.
Very nice. Thank you. What makes this building, Jade Signature, different than any other building here in Sunny Isles?
Great question. When developers built the Jade Beach and Jade Ocean, they made the mistake. When they start building Jade Signature, they took all the mistakes they did and didn't put it in Jade Signature. Jade Signature, I think it's one of the beautiful buildings in Sunny Isles with no mistakes from other buildings. Another point I wanted to point it out, if you see the balconies,
Right.
we can go and see it. They are kind of in that, kind of like a...
Let's go and check it out. You want to show us?
Let's go and check it out because it's important point.
Because it's important thing about the things that they did new here, which is different to the other one.
We have in Sunny Isles a little bit of windy weather sometimes. So what developer did, they put the glass on purpose a little bit leaning towards this side,
Right.
towards east. The reason why, so it stops the wind according to the architecture, and it's really beautiful. So
Yeah, it's kind of inclined, yes.
and it's kind of declined, and it really helps the wind to stop, so you can enjoy, have a dinner, lunch, breakfast, drinks here, with not worry about windy weather.
Beautiful.
That's another point.
Nice. Thank you, Katerina, for your time. I appreciate your help. And if anybody wants to know more about this building, beautiful waterfront, luxury, we're going to put all the info below this video. And we'll be glad to show it to you.
Yes.
Thank you, Katerina.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I'm going to be leaving, and I'm going to leave you with a beautiful view of this beautiful waterfront in Sunny Isles. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow the channel because we're going to be putting ocean view luxury, ocean view access on a weekly access, on a weekly day, in a weekly days, so you can have the best ocean access and ocean view properties in South Florida. Bring your boat, bring your yacht. Subscribe to the channel or follow the channel. Either way. See you guys tomorrow with another beautiful listing on the ocean.